Blueprint was able to teach me how to go from A to B with the day one, day two, and it was a game changer. Seeing myself close to 350 people, 400 people a week by myself, to where now I've got 2 associates. I'm not even adjusting anymore, and I'm just managing the office. So yeah, it's we don't have to see as many people to make a good living. Years ago, I was just adjusting, and one day I looked at my numbers because I'm serving the world and trying to see as many people as possible, and I look at my numbers and they were like $11 a visit, and I said to myself, I'm not going to be able to survive like this for very long. So Blueprint and some other practice management people, to be honest with you, but Blueprint in particular gave me the framework to be able to see people for a higher ticket and feel good about it, because I'm not giving them a car without a wheel. I'm giving them something that's going to change their life. So we were able to get more money, see less people, and thrive and help people. So Blueprint was able to teach me how to go from A to B with the day one, day two, and it was a game changer. I think the hardest thing was probably figuring out how to put everything together to help with neuropathy, because for years I was adjusting people, doing spinal decompression, everything, and these people with neuropathy just were not getting better. So it gave us the formula to help them. I've had coaches, I've been in practice for 35 years, so all the other coaches that I've had, it was basically just on chiropractic and honestly saving the world, which I still like to do, but not necessarily a business plan. So Blueprint's kind of been able to show us that, okay, yeah, it's okay to make money, you're helping people, and here's how you do it. And bringing something to them that, especially with neuropathy, that nobody has an answer for whatsoever. So yeah, it's been good. It's really good to just learn how to scale your business in a profitable way. Being around like-minded people that are, doing way more than I'm doing, and I'm still learning from them and helping people that are just getting in started. So yeah, when you first see everything that Blueprint offers, it's a little daunting, and you just take one step at a time, like you did when you started your practice. We have a testimonial even on our website on it, Cindy, who called us every day. I paid a lot of money, this isn't working, my neuropathy is still there. And then one day she called and we're like, oh, here she goes again. And she said, hey, I was able to go dancing last night. First time I was able to. We actually made her Christmas card list that year. So she went from being quite unhappy to loving us. So seeing, patient after patient, to okay, I don't have to work that hard to be able to make a good living. I was able to semi-retire now, so I'm only working two weeks out of the month, so that's good.